Hello everybody, this is Day Off with Tasty Sensation. Got a beautiful salad here. Got some pork loin, tomatoes, black beans, cucumbers. Delicious. I don't know what to do it that way. Do it that way. What y'all think? Well, in case big salad is too much for your girl, we'll put it over him. Y'all see all that beautiful stuff that's popping off of there? Out of here. What tomato? No, look at him. We have to try to fix that, y'all. Got a few onions in here too, by the way. I'll put that fork right there. Get this meat and stuff back on this plate that tried to jump off. You know what I'm feeling? I know y'all feel me. Y'all just don't do YouTube videos, right? Let's see. Let me find some of the good stuff, y'all. So get with, Valerie, okay? Okay. Yeah, it's good stuff. Get with, honey. Yes, yeah. Where them onions at, y'all? They ain't here somewhere. Child. Yeah. You know what need on here? Some kind of seasoning. Yeah. Need some kind of sprinkle or something. Like some black pepper or some salt. Black pepper behind y'all. So I guess we'll do with a little of this garlic. Right here. We'll put it right here. That black bean up. Yeah. Ain't got but a little of this. Let's make it work. Let's make it count, y'all. It's just drizzle, y'all. It may look like I did to do, but it's just a drizzle. Yeah, that's popping in that plate. They're fantastic right here. Trying to get a video in here. Well, I can Carlos will be back soon, child. Taking over the TV. You know. All his little favorite shows. Yeah, come here, sir. Wait, Ma, that's not my show. That's his TV. Black beans. Could have cut that lettuce a little bit more. That's a cucumber. Put to the skin off it. Now you need some on the cucumber, a little salt or a little black pepper or something. It's more of that. I've been challenged. The nugget challenge, the big salad challenge. I don't know if both of them came from walking in a fat woman's shoes. And somebody else challenged it too. I could have to go and look back in my comments. I didn't do this morning with the idea of doing a salad challenge. But I was going to eat a salad anyway. So I say I might as well get that video, down and out the way. Like I say this, I don't know if I could have ate out that bowl right there. But I'm only going to allow myself a certain amount of time to film it. Oh yeah, so what was that about? I want no strawberry, was it? No, honey, no more tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes, that's what that is. Thank you. I'll think about something. I always say thank you, y'all. Goodness and grace. Following us. Got our back all days of our life. What you say? With the breastplate of righteousness and the helmet of salvation. What you say? The whole arm. Good, it's good. Y'all better get this on. Thinking about my taste of treat bell. Child. If I must say so myself, I cooked that sirloin to perfection. I don't know if you call it sirloin. It's a pork loin. Boneless, honey. Number go meat like a backstrap. What you say? Protein. Help you think. Oh, that's a washing machine. Not the washing machine, but the dishwasher. If you hear water running, swishing, and all of that good stuff, I turn the dishwasher on because I got to wash dishes, honey. Housework still got to be done. Mm-hmm. Get these bees in, honey. Mm-hmm. Get it in. This plate right here is a big salad. It's a platter from a steakhouse, right? Mm-hmm. Your girl can make a big potato, honey. Mm-hmm. Then on the next course, huh? I ain't gonna do no next course. I'm gonna just stick with the salad. Didn't put no cheese on it. Mm-hmm. Your girl have to stop watching this and let somebody else watch it. Get some salad in. Well, you're so bad. You eating too much of that. Well, eat too much of this, or too much of what's over in that pot. They have moderation in all things. I hear you. I ain't drowning with this. I'm almost out. Thought to throw some chickpeas in here. Chickpeas a little hard. I ain't feel like fighting with the chewing them chickpeas. Gotta put some black beans in it. That's where you get black beans. They was in the can, y'all. What you do, you make your salad while it's in the calling them, and you rinsing off your greens down. Throw the beans in there and rinse that juice off them too. And then you have the beans like that. When I was cutting up these cucumbers, so they wouldn't be so slick in the salad too. Rinse them bad boys too. Throw them cherry tomatoes in there. Rinse them. And a handful of diced onions. I don't know where they at. They in there somewhere. I'll be at the bottom. Somebody asked me to chew some gum on him. I've been asked that a lot. I probably will do it. Maybe one video or two videos of that. Because I'm not a big gum fan. I used to when I was younger. I used to like juicy fruit. Honey. I never did care for those minty gums. Like peppermint, spearmint, and all that kind of stuff. I ain't never really cared for them. When I was a kid, when I got older, I really went into it. Maybe because after a while the gum started trying to cling to your teeth. I don't know. Something about the texture as I got older, I don't care so much about. I'd rather suck a mint than chew some gum. One person said I should have warned them about my videos having smacking, slurping, and all that kind of stuff in it. When I first started making videos, I used to have that in the title of all my videos. And what happened was that YouTube started flagging my videos like they were sexual because I had sucking, slurping, smacking, and all that kind of stuff in it. Because somebody said, you should have warned people that you're going to be doing all that. And then another YouTuber that outgrew me saw me do that. And they outgrew me, and they got it in their videos, smacking, slurping, like a warning. But I was doing that before they were doing that, but now they're doing it. And sometimes people think you cop off folks. But then when you're a small YouTuber, they think you copying off the big YouTuber. But the big YouTuber actually got it from the small YouTubers before they grew or before they blew up. And then they go around and watch a lot of people videos when they're small, and they take stuff that they've seen and they incorporate it in their thing. And then people assume that they came up with it, but they really didn't. But God bless them. Honey, everybody need to make that money, honey. Get it, child, get it. It's flattering to me. It is flattering. Blessing. I have changed my name several times. I have changed what my I don't understand it, cause the same thing that they have in the title of their videos. When I was talking about slurping, smacking, sucking, burping, all that kind of stuff I used to put in my titles. And I get like that little warning talking about not suitable for all advertisements. So I took them out, honey. And when I took it out, the green dollar sign came up. But I don't know why some people can say it in their title, and some people can't. I don't understand that. Just a warning to let people know what the video about. Huh? Some people suck on lollipops and ice creams and stuff like that. Honey, they flag my videos when I do stuff like that. I was in what that ice cream is? What? That's made out of ice. It's not ice cream. Popsicle. I have a popsicle. What is that? What's the pop? No, pop is something hard. The ice cream. The ice. It was suck on when you eat. Honey, I did one of them. Fudge sickle or something like that. And it was dark. And I had it in my mouth. And commercial quickly went in my mouth like that. Honey, I don't think I still don't have no commercial on that video. And I ate it like a normal person. I wasn't just going. I wasn't doing all that. You girl don't like that no way. But honey. And then I got, what was another video that they flagged, and I can't seem to get around it. A whole chicken, on my whole chicken video. I've been trying to put the white words in them, taking down stuff and all kind of stuff. Honey, it ain't working. One of my fans had told me, I almost called my fan, that I was copying off somebody else. They do it better, something like that. I had to tell them, every child, they got that from me. I did a collab with them. They used to watch my videos all the time. And the stuff I was doing, they started doing. They just blew up. God just blessed them. And I was doing it first. And then when I changed my name, for Tasty Sensation, instead of Val Eats, so I wasn't getting a lot of traction with Val Eats for some reason. Honey, they thought I was copying off somebody else's name that had sensation in it. And I didn't even think about that when I chose my name. Because I used to, even though I call myself Val Eats, I used to say, this is a tasty situation. It's tasty. I used to say it a lot in my videos. So, because I say it a lot, I don't name myself that. And this is a tasty situation, huh? It is tasty. I'm satisfied with my name. Now I am. Y'all find the right fit for you, honey. The right fit. Ain't none of us got a patent on this stuff. What you say? We got a license, a YouTube license. I don't got no patent. When I was sucking on them ribs and carrying on, y'all probably don't know nothing about that. And that shrimp had all that in the title of my videos. Chicken bones, honey. My style has changed a lot since then. This is a salad challenge, by the way. And this is my second plate of salad, so I can't eat it all. I can eat another one. I can probably eat all of them. Yeah, I ain't gonna do that to y'all because of time. I like to do 15 minutes. But since I'm talking right now, I'm gonna finish this plate. I think a salad, the way some folks think of Jello, like you eat it and it make room for some more. There's always room for Jello. Well, actually, I was used to eating course meals. You know, eat your soup, the salad, you know, the main course, then your dessert. So, this just gets you started, huh? This ain't a meal. And so, since I'm used to eating a salad before a meal, I don't know. Because I am hungry now. Hey, are you hungry? I'm thinking something else should come behind this. So if you're used to eating a soup, a little small bowl of soup, a normal size salad, but then they come out here with that meat on the plate, with them beautiful vegetables. What you saw? Yep. Well, I did put the meat in my salad, thinking that would help. And I didn't eat. I got some soup, but I didn't eat no soup. I could eat with some soup. I made a good soup too. A good soup. But throw some elbow macaroni in there too. The broth off that loin. The stock off of it. What you say? That's some vegetables. That's the thing. I can eat all that. Have you ever been to somewhere to a restaurant and they have the salad just keep coming They be trying to fill you up for the meal get there. The breadsticks. But see, I would be talking. I'll probably just eat one plate of salad. I may taste the bread. Not a big bread fan, but I may eat one. I be waiting on the food to come. And if they have a soup, I like clam chowder. I like broccoli chowder, corn chowder. I love them chowders, honey. I like that egg drop soup from an Asian restaurant. Or that hot and spicy. Honey, that's be some good stuff with them pieces of onions in it. That'd be good. Oh yeah. Think about soups. That's about it. I'll try a vegetable soup. Only reason I don't like the vegetable soups in a restaurant, they're not very flavorful. Chowders, you can mess up a chowder. Well, I guess you can, but you put too much water in it. And they be trying to stretch it and don't want to go bring no more out. I don't want to make no more. Or they're making it and people eating up the chowder quick as they can put it out there. So they got to put some water in to stretch it. Honey, mess up a good chowder like that. Sometimes it's up there and people don't get it as regular, like that corn chowder or something like that. Then they have to add water in it to loosen it up because it starts getting dry. I'm talking about restaurants. I ain't been to a restaurant in so long. I like making my food at the house and eating for y'all. I like a good restaurant. I gotta grab them nuggets so I can eat that for y'all. This came to the mind. All things work together for good for those that love the Lord and are called according to His purpose. It just went in my head for some reason. Maybe something maybe I need to see it. Maybe so. The called. Scam was supposed to be coming back on TV tonight. We really got some new episodes. It'll be coming on Bounce. I don't know. We'll see. I don't think Empire gonna skip this week and come on next week. I don't know. Why they got to take a break? I also watch The Good Doctor, Grey's Anatomy, Gotham. fresh off the boat. Manifest. I ate 2 plates. That's why this is 30 minutes long. If I would have stuck with the first plate, it would have been the 15 minutes. But this is so good. And this is a salad challenge. See what I would normally do. I eat that first salad and then let it on. And then wait a while. And then get that meal that I'm supposed to have. I will let this be a meal. But the next time I eat it, it'll be a meal. Now, I have ate salads all day because I wasn't satisfied. I just kept eating salads because I like it so much. Well, this is bell with tasty sensation. I'm ringing the dinner bell because this was very, 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 very tasty. And if you like this sort of thing, hit that subscribe button. And if you want to help the girl out, share with somebody. And I dearly appreciate it. Bye-bye now. All of my beautiful tasties. Oh.